1984 Indy 600 triple custom can exhaust per Sparky. It's about between 5 and 10 degrees Fahrenheit this morning. Pretty cold. Not as cold as it was yesterday, but cold enough. I think we're gonna try to cold start this pig. It's only got like 2 out of the 3 chokes working, I think.
Only 2. Yep.
So we'll see if that, hinders it starting at all, but we'll give her a shot. Since it took a ton of pulls and this thing only has like 2 out of 3 chokes, we're gonna give it a little helping hand with our friend Mixed Fuel Juice. Yeah. Just a little helping hand. All 3 carbonators. Oh yeah. Ooh. I get her up on the old roller. She might be flooded, Mark. Conked out on us.